Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to hex mesh this flywheel solid part. We are using legacy version. We already have discussed how to do the hex mesh in the new interface, and today we are going to use this legacy version to hex mesh this. So firstly, let me just split this as it is symmetrical about this XY plane. So just let me create some three nodes in this line. Yeah. So the reason I created three node is that like the mid node will be in the middle, the second node will be in the middle. So I can cut this. Now go to this solid geometry edit, and select solid. And to cut this via XY plane, I need to use the Z axis. So now base point will be this one. Click on trim. So it is trimmed. Now I will hide one half of this is solid, and now I can cut this using this surface. So let me just do it quickly. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah. So just go to the solid and select this surface. Let me just trim this. Okay. Trim. So it is trimmed. Now you can see that part, this part, and this part are different, like different solids. Now what we can do is, like, this is almost symmetrical uh, about this sector, so I can just do one sector and then just do some reflect operation. So I can just uh, use this node as, sorry, use this node centers. Okay, so at least I need three nodes for a plane and three nodes to cut this. So go to solid edit, go to trim with nodes. So I need three nodes at least to form one plane. This node, and this node. Sorry, I can select all solids. Yeah. Okay. This node. And these three nodes I can select. Okay. Now again I can select. I can just use three nodes to parameterize this line using this nodes. And now I can cut this node surface also, this solid also. Done. Now I can just work on this part first. Let me save this view. Now just go to this here batch mesh, and I'm using 2 mm batch mesh. Once this is done, go to restore, and now we will just roughly review this. So we can remove this try at least. Okay, this is fine. Now this try how can we remove this? Yeah. Okay. Now this nodes are not in the line, so we need to put back into this line. So go to this uh, F7, then go to associate, choose this line, select this nodes. Okay. Again choose this line and select this node. You can also project this nodes in this line if you want. Okay. Now just I will create one more component and yeah, I will just try to measure these distances. Okay, just roughly I'm creating some nodes to use these distances. Okay, this is 5 mm, so I will just use this. I'll just create here 3 rows of solid elements. So along the thickness, so go to this 2D drag option and just go to LMs elements. Select all this nodes will be this node and this node. Put distance n2 minus n1 and just put here 3 drag ops. Right now we'll again drag this 2.5. So I will just give one layer of this solid elements here. Go to drag, go to 2D elements. Okay, okay. Now again go to this node and this node and just use one and this is done. Here also use the same thing. I just will measure some distance here 5 mm, so I will put 2 rows at least. Sorry, this node and put here to drag it. Okay, done. Now here I just need to use this face. Okay, and I will just measure this surface also. As you can see that element connectivity is not there. We will just roughly do something. Uh, just count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements, and then we will put here also 9, and then we'll just try to merge this to this component. So 9 nodes, equalize it, and then you can just use this F5 to see whether it is properly merged or not. So okay, 1 second. This is okay, done. Let me just transfer this to some other component, then we can easily check this component and this 10 nodes are shared. Yeah, 10 nodes. Okay. So now we can just uh, go to this current collector, make sure this component one is selected, then go to this drive option. Yeah, choose these two elements, use by phase, and then N1 will be this, N2 will be this. Two layers is fine for me. Yeah, done. Now uh, just I can just uh, hide all the uh, 3D elements, and I can delete this all the 2D elements, and also delete this face. And now I can just see whether my 3D element is proper connectivity is there or not. So just go to this components and then isolate this and just check this. There are no free edges, and we will also check the T connections. There are no T connected edges, so we can delete this faces also. Now we are left out with this. Okay, now we just need to mirror this again and again, and we can have our uh, full flywheel. Okay, so just go to this tool, reflect, select all these elements, this and this, just put this, duplicate base point also, select it anywhere here, just do this. Then again I will do the same thing here, select these elements and then duplicate this, done. Again do the same thing, select these elements, duplicate this, done. Now again do the same thing, reflect, select all the elements, duplicate this, done. Okay, now there is one issue, like this part is not captured. There is a cavity type of hole in here and we need to capture this, but before this we will just uh, equivalence our component, and we have reflected there is uh, like node to node connectivity is not established, so we will just go to preview and we will equivalence this, and we can again confirm this by using this, extracting the faces. So no free edges, no T connections, just delete these faces. Now come back here and we can just review this, and we can just use some delete operation here. So what I can do here is I can just go to on and delete this some of the elements here. Okay, this I also have deleted. Okay, now it is perfectly fine. So what we can do here is just put some nodes here. Okay, then we can just replace these elements. Okay, now go to F7, Okay, done, 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 done. Now again, yeah, we need to project this also. Sorry, align this also. Sorry. Hmm. Now this is not also no. There's still some workaround we need to do here. Sorry. Select this two nodes, then align this middle ones. Then just press F11 and uh, we will project this node using this plane. Okay, done. Also, we can just use the mid nodes here to further uh, remap this node. Done. Now again this way we can project this nodes again, and here we can just align this. Done. So now it is, as you can see, this is perfect now. Just let me clear this nodes, and now it is perfect almost. And then uh, now one half is completed, and we can just mirror this about this plane. So just go to this reflect option, select all the elements, and just use this plane. Done. Now just again go to this equivalence option and just go to preview equivalence and then just equivalent this nodes. And now uh, your flywheel meshing is completed. So you can also follow along. The CAD is in the description, and you can download it and follow along the process. And we can also check the quality here. So sorry. Okay. Mm, okay. So minimum edge is fine. Aspect ratio is also fine. Jacobian is fine. And there are no tria elements. Min quad angle and max quad angle is also fine. So yeah, this is how you can hex match this flywheel type of component. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.